Sit next to me. I will give thee the throne of thy mother.
Not tired, Petrarch.
You see in what regard she holds you.
What regard she holds me? What do I care? Tonight, I'm happy. I'm exceedingly happy. Never have I been so happy.
The Tetrarch has a somber look, does he not?
Yes. He has somber look.
I would have forgotten what I would have said. What is it that I desire? I remember now.
Behold, the time has come. That which I foretold has come to pass. Today that I spoke is at hand.
Bid him be silent. I will not listen to his voice. This man is forever hurling insults against me.
He did not speak your name. Besides, he is a very great prophet.
I do not believe in prophets. Can a man tell what will come to pass? No man knows it. Also, he is forever insulting me. But I think you are afraid of him. I know well that you are afraid of him.
I am not afraid of him. I am afraid of no man.
I tell you, you are afraid of him. If you are not afraid of him, why are you not delivering him to the Jews? For these 6 months past, I've been clamoring for him.
Truly, my lord, it were better to deliver him into our hands.
Enough on this subject. I have already given you my answer. I will not deliver him into your hands. He is a holy man. He is a man who has seen God.
That cannot be. There is no man who hath seen God since the prophet Elias. He is the last man who saw God face to face. In these days, God doth not show himself. God hideth himself. Therefore great evils have come upon the land.
Verily, no man knoweth if Elias the prophet did indeed see God. Peradventure, it was but the shadow of God which he saw.
God is at no time hidden. He showeth himself at all